YouTube family, yes sir, it's your boy and we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down a trade that I caught out in my public and my private chat room. Everybody ate before the weekend ended, so you do not want to miss on this video because I'm going to break down my full strategy and my entry as well as what I was thinking and why I took this trade, okay? So this is literally what I do every single day in the markets, okay? I keep it simple as possible, okay? So you do not want to miss out on this video. So before I even get into the breakdown of the video, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go hit that subscribe button. It only takes you guys 1 or 2 seconds, okay? Also, I do have the public and the private chat room link down below in the description. You guys want to join, the link will be down below, okay? So let's get into the actual breakdown, okay? So before I even break down this trade, I want to show you guys proof that I'm calling out these trades and my people are actually taking this trade with me, okay? So this is a private chat room. Right here, I'm telling everybody I'm waiting the date, the pair, and this is what I'm waiting on. At this point, I'm telling everybody I'm in this trade for a buy, where I enter, where my stop loss is, where my take profit is going to be, as you can see right there. And then down here, if the trade plays out, I'll let everybody know TP smash for however pips we caught. So on this trade, we caught 11 pips. As you guys can see, this was the before, this was the after, okay? Not only in the private chat room, but in the public chat room as well. So you can see in the public chat room, I'm calling out these trades, okay? Cool thing is, you can also see the signal stats, okay? So we are 17 wins and only 5 losses for the year. This is for the private and public chat room combined, okay? So you guys want to have a winning strategy, you guys want to be a part of a winning community, go join the link. The link will be down below, okay? So now that I got that out the way, let's break down the actual trade. So this was the 1 a.m. candle, okay? So at 1 a.m. we had news on GJ, so I'm not trading that candle, okay? But what I am seeing on the 5 minutes is that I see that this bullish candle went all the way up and took out structure to the upside, okay? Now, do I base my trend on the 5-minute time frame? No, I do not. I go to the 1 hour, I glance at the 4 hour, and then I go back to the 5 minute, okay? So let's go to the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour showing me? The 1 hour is showing me that we had a low down here, okay? And we're also creating new higher lows. That's a low, that's a low, that's a low, and we also have a low right here. So what is that telling me? We are constantly creating higher lows, which means we're not breaking structure to the downside, okay? So that's telling me that we are bullish, okay, at the moment. Now another good thing is we are also above the 200 EMA. So what's that telling me? That's telling me that, okay, cool, we have buying pressure to the upside, okay? Once I understood that, let's go to the 4 hour. What is the 4 hour showing me? We had a low sitting right here. Then we have another low that was created right here, a higher low because we never took out these lows, okay? And then we also had support forming at this level right here. So there was support and we never took out any lows. So what is that telling me? That's telling me that, cool, we have buying pressure to the upside, okay? Market structure showing us that we want to keep going to the upside. Now also, we are also above the 200 EMA. So what is that telling me? That's telling me that the 1 hour and the 4 hour are lining up together. We're creating new higher lows. We're above the 200 EMA. We're not breaking structures to the downside. So I should only be looking for buys, okay? Once I understood that, let's go to the 5 minute. As this 1 hour as this 5 minute candle finished, what happened here? What happened here is we took out structure to the upside. These highs, all of this order that was sitting right here, they're all taken out by this 1 5-minute candle, okay? So we're breaking structure to the upside. As you guys can see, you could put the line at the highest wick here. We're breaking structure to the upside. So what's that telling me? That we are potentially very bullish for today, okay? Now, as I see that, now all I need to do is look for my demand zone. Now, how do you find a demand zone? You want to find a zone where price started and broke structure, either to the upside or the downside, okay? So at this level right here, at this level, that was where price started the move. From here, it went all the way up and took out these highs over here, okay? So that's where the move started. Now, how do I draw my zone? If it's a demand zone, you want to see where the push started and you want to see what was the previous bearish candle that was around that area, okay? So as you guys can see, before the push started, there was one bearish candle right here. So how would I draw my zone? I would draw my zone from the top of that bearish candle to the bottom wick of that bullish candle, okay? I want to cover up the whole area. So if price does break below the zone, then the zone is not valid, okay? So At this point, what do? All I do is I wait for price to come back, give me a break of a candle, and then go for my 1-to-1. That's all I'm doing, okay? So let's play this out. We're not at the zone yet, so I'm not taking no trades yet. We're at the zone now. So what do I do when we're at the zone? I wait for the candle, the next candle, to break the previous high. It could be the body or it could be the wick. Okay, whatever the highest point of that previous candle is. So at this bearish candle, the wick up here is the highest point. So if the next candle break that high, I'm taking the trade. Okay, so let's play this out. Okay, so let's replay this right here. So you can see the bullish candle form, right? So now if the next candle break this previous bullish wick at the top, I'm entering my trade for a 1-to-1. Okay, so let's play this out. Boom, that candle broke the previous wick at the top, so I'm entering my long position right there. Stops below the zone. Okay, and I go for a 1-to-1. This is 11 pips. Okay, so let's play this out. Okay, and boom, literally in 15 minutes we caught 11 pips. Okay, so it's really that simple. That's all I'm doing every day when I get to the charts. I go to the 5-minute. The first thing I do is I look on the 5-minute. I see what price is doing. Go to the 1 hour to determine my trend. For extra confirmation, I go to the 4 hour. Then I go back to the 5-minute. If the higher time frame is telling me that I should be selling, I'm only looking for supply setups. If the higher time frame is telling me that I'm buying, I'm only looking for a demand setup. Okay, so again, that's all I have for you guys. I keep it as simple as possible, and we're actually making money over here. So again, if you guys want to join and be a part of the community, the link will be down below. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.